paper balls. Here you go.
Yeah. And the other one, okay, the back one is full. Now put
Here you go. More rocks.
things. Actually, the front.
Annie, come here. Go get one shape and put it here.
Okay. A heart first.
Whatever you like. Okay. Which one are you going to put?
Wow. Heart. Very nice. Here.
Wow. Are you done? Yes. Let's check the colors. What color is it?
Red.
What color is it?
Blue.
What color is it?
Blue.
What color is it?
Yellow.
What color is it?
Green.
Yes. Good job.
Do it again.
Okay, let's do it again. First straight line. Good job. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Good job. Good job. Now this one, small letter. Straight line. And a circle. Yes. What is it?
I.
I. How does I sound?
I.
I.
This.
Okay. So I is I for?
Mama. This is Ma.
Yes, this is Ma.
Mama.
Yes, that's right.
Sunday.
Okay, good
This
job.
is Man.
Yes, it's Mon. Yes, that's correct.
Monday.
Mm-hmm.
Then one. Oh, and number two. Then number one. Is this what day?
What is it? How is it starting? Can we see it?
Saturday.
It starts with? No, what is the first letter? F. So, after Monday, what comes?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Tuesday starts with? T.
True.
Then what comes next?
Ta.
What comes next?
Ta.
Yeah, but this is ta, ta, th, ta, Thursday. And then we are going to tie it. And now it will look like a bag. There we have it, our bag. Stick it to each other? Like how?
Okay, not like that. Where is number 1? We need to take the number 1. Find the number 1. Do you want to do it like this? Okay. Find number 1 first. Yay! You found number 1. Cling.
The sun is not making its ear right.
Uh-huh.
Uh, Wow. I've done it.
You have done it? Let me see. Very nice. Which one you want to use for P?
The same color.
Same color? Okay. Okay.
Tell me which one.
I know which letter comes after A.
Do you know which?
Which one?
It is.
It is B. Yay.
Which one comes after?
Okay.
I know it
Which one?
F G.
G. Okay. Whoa.
Oh,
Okay.
red. Huh? I got one red. We need more red. Here, one.
Okay. Good job.
One more red. Alright.
Is there 3 dots?
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Now put 3 dots up here.
Okay.
Hey. Wait, this one the same color? Oh, I found the green.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is this? What is this? Is a daytime. This is morning.
And in the morning, the sun comes up. And when it gets morning, the sun, moon, and stars goes down.
When it's night.
This comes down.
And when it's night, sun, moon, and star comes up. Right?
And sun comes up.
And when it's down, it goes down. It becomes morning.
Morning. Can you cut out more shapes? Like all these?
Okay, later.
Take out
Take out 4. That's not 4.
Oh, 14.
That's 14. Okay. So we already have 4 here. Okay. 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 Let's first finish 1 to 10 and then we go to 11, 12. Okay.
Oh,
Let's finish this line first. Okay. 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 But are you forgetting something? Can you count? Where is 6? There. Yeah. Good. Okay. Good job.